Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can download Discord on your computer or your laptop. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Then simply search for Discord download. Then after, go to any website of www.discord.com, and here you'll get the option of download for Windows, which is highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and select it and then select save on your computer. Now, once it has been installed, you need to go ahead and launch the Discord setup, and the Discord will start downloading on your device. And once it is launched, you can go ahead and use it on your computer. You need to first go ahead and log into your account, and then you can use Discord on your computer or laptop. Another thing you can do is you can launch your Microsoft Store on your computer or laptop, whatever you're using. Then use the search bar in the top of the screen and simply search for Discord application. Once you find the Discord app, go ahead and select install, and it will be installed on your computer. If you do not want to download Discord app on your computer, you can also go ahead and use the Discord website. So go ahead, launch your web browser and go to discord.com, log into your specific account, and you can start using Discord on your web browser, and you do not need to install it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.